Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to accurately align form fields in BoldSign. Firm field alignment involves organizing and positioning input fields systematically on a document to align with the text, making them easy to identify and complete. BoldSign offers various alignment methods, ensuring fields are accurately placed for better usability and precision. Let us consider a scenario where a bond loan officer is responsible for collecting customer information for loan applications. The officer uses BoldSign to gather these details. Recognizing the importance of aligning form fields with the document text to improve presentation, the loan officer utilizes BoldSign's alignment functionality. This not only enhances readability, but also ensures the document appears professional, streamlining the onboarding process for customers. Let me show you how the loan officer would do that in detail. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. I click the Create New button and select the Create New Document option. This navigates me to the Prepare Document page. In the Add File section, I upload the customer information form from my device by clicking the Browse button. Next, I add the recipient's details in the Add Recipients section. I check the remaining sections once and click the Next button. This action navigates to the Configure Fields page. This is where I will set up the form fields. Let us begin with the Basic Information section. I drag and drop the name field into its designated position, and its settings open on the right side of the screen. BoldSign offers three methods for aligning form fields, using the mouse, keyboard, and X and Y positioning method. While I can use the mouse to align form fields, this often moves them both horizontally and vertically. As you can see, the field is not perfectly aligned when I zoom in on the document. To improve alignment, I can use the keyboard's arrow keys to move the field either vertically or horizontally, one at a time. This ensures accurate alignment. If the keyboard does not achieve the desired alignment, you can use the X and Y positioning method, which is the most effective option. This method allows precise adjustments in small increments and decrements, including the use of decimal points. The X option moves the form field horizontally, while the Y option moves it vertically. As you can see, using the Y positioning method's decrement and increment drop-down options, along with entering decimal points, enables finer adjustments compared to using the keyboard's up and down arrow keys. Once done, I drag and drop the remaining form fields in the Basic Information section to align them. Next, you may notice that the form fields are not clearly aligned as a group when I zoom in on the document. To align the form fields as a group, I first select a section of fields I want to align. Upon selection, the multiple selection settings open. From this section, I can set the required fields to the assignees. In the Alignment section, I can align the group of form fields to the left, center, right, top, middle, or bottom. Please note that these alignment options refer only to the first field within the specified group. For example, in this case, to align the form fields to the left with the name field as a reference, I select the Align Left option. As you can see, since the name field is the first field with left alignment, all the fields in the Basic Information section are now aligned to the left in relation to the name field. In the Settings section, you can customize the font type, font size, and line height of the form field text. Additionally, you can make the text bold, italic, or underlined, and change its color to suit your specific requirements. Please note that the multi-selection settings vary based on the type of form field selected. If you select similar form fields, additional customization options will become available for the group. For example, when grouping text boxes, you will see extra settings specific to those fields. In the Account Information section, I drag and drop the required fields and align them perfectly with the corresponding document text. The Transactions section has a field for amount paid. I add form fields for Part 1, Part 2, and Total. Since these form fields must be aligned precisely with the document text, I align the field for Part 1 using the X and Y positioning method. Once that is complete, I need to align the remaining two fields in this section in relation to the first field. To do this, I select the section with these form fields to group them, then move to their Settings section. As you can see, the first field is in the bottommost position. To align the remaining fields to it, I select the Align Bottom option in the Alignment section. Then the remaining form fields move under the first field, ensuring clean alignment. I then add the form fields for the rest in this section, and align them accordingly. Lastly, I drag and drop the signature and date fields into the document. I review my changes and send the document out for signature. The document is sent successfully. This summarizes how to align BoldSign form fields with the document text perfectly and align grouped form fields. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.